Here's one way to start our day's video.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. I found another one. Found his brothers and sisters. So obviously we're in the Badlands, if you can't tell, for the day. Mrs. Monkey says, hi. Oh, you brought the scope. Cool.
Yeah, viewer.
That was a gift.
Subscriber.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I don't know if you wanted us to say the name, so I'm not going to. But we stopped. We're not even into the crazy parts of the Badlands yet. This is like the outskirts.
Somebody sent this to me.
This is like minor league Badlands.
Yeah.
Oh, that is.
But I have never, and maybe I'm crazy, I have never seen buffalo out here.
Look, he likes us. He's wagging his tail.
I don't think that's what he's doing at all.
You should get closer. Give him a
Go pet the fluffy cow.
Hi.
They're amazing. I don't think you can see as well on the camera, unfortunately, but it's a big herd.
This is one way to celebrate your birthday.
Yeah, right?
Oh, yeah. Look at the little baby one right there. Here he comes.
Yeah, really don't go touch him.
No, I stay away from this. This is really cool.
Yeah, again, I mean, we come out to the Badlands every year, and I've never seen a herd of buffalo out here. I mean, obviously, you know, I'm just saying. How cool is that? Awesome. videoing you take a selfie, it's like a
Selfie. The passion project.
Cheese.
it's a video, but okay.
Oh, hi.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. So it's 4,000 degrees.
Yeah. You think?
It's hot, man. It's just crazy. I remember my old man saying in the 80s, first time we were here, just think, at some point someone crossed this in a covered wagon. As far as you can see. So a lot of people who come to Sturgis don't go all the way into the Badlands loop because A, it's not cheap, it's 25 bucks a bike. And B,
I love it.
we're 110 miles from back to the chip right now. So it's a day, you know? So we'll have a nice long ride back. And that's just going to 90. It's actually not very long. You can turn around and go back the loop the other way too, but it's all about how much time you want to spend, you know, like, because we're going to keep going that way.
Okay.
We'll be back at 90 and I don't know.
We can do right here and just go.
The Griswolds.
Do the Griswolds? Yep, in the car. Because we got to be back at the chip by 6.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what time is it?
It is
Well, that's in unison.
2:06.
Oh, we got plenty of time then.
Yeah.
It's just right though. Yeah.
We got
'Cause
enough
you're
time
gonna
to
need gas.
stop
We have a
with another
Sportster
old
with us,
man.
which means we have to stop for gas every 150 miles.
Tell them to kiss your ass.
Hey, at least you're gonna get off your bike and stretch your legs.
That's absolutely true. It gives me an excuse to be like, oh, we have to stop for gas and like stretch my, you know. All right, check back.
You're like,
Thank God. We don't have to go further than 150 miles this trek. One more little piece because this is too awesome. This is Mrs. Monkey's favorite place in the entire rally.
dexterity sucks.
This is fun to watch.
Stand up, Janet.
Shall I just climb on the-
You want me to hold you up for a
climb on
minute?
the
Yeah,
rails?
Oh, that reminds me of that funny story. So, Buffalo texted me last night saying, we ran into some New Mexicans. And you were saying, people from New Mexico. But I'm like, you ran into some New Mexicans? I'm like, I don't understand. Like, we ran into some New Mexicans. I'm like, what does that mean? They're brand new. They're brand new Mexicans. I was like, what is he talking? And I was like, oh, New Mexicans. Got it. Told you I'm stupid.